Here's what you need. A printed template, you can download it from the link in the description. Scissors, a stapler, washi tape, and of course, toilet paper and soap. If you don't have washi tape, don't worry. Check out my next video for a version using just A4 paper. It's super easy. First, lay your toilet paper on a piece of cardboard or plastic. Next, gently brush the soap onto the paper. While that's drying, cut out the template. Then just fold along the lines. Now that the soap paper is dry, trim it to fit inside the holder. Place it inside and secure it with a stapler. To make it safe, especially for kids, I cover the staples with washi tape. I'm using some custom tape I made myself. To use it, just tear off a sheet and add water. It lathers up just like regular soap. This is helpful when there's no soap around. Thanks for watching!